How to download Fortnite on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be deep diving into how we can download Fortnite on our PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To download Fortnite we need another launcher called Epic Games Launcher. You need to make sure to download and install the Epic Games Launcher on your Windows PC. I'll also make sure to drop an official download link down in the description box as well. Once you open up Epic Games Launcher, you simply want to search for Fortnite. Most likely you'll also be able to find them right under this. So just make sure to select the Fortnite game over here. Once you select the Fortnite game here, you just want to make sure to actually wait until this web page loads up, and then just select the download option over here. So just make sure to select in library here. Once you just select in library, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select Fortnite, click on the three dots option, and then make sure to go ahead and then install it. So just go ahead and make sure to apply the changes, and now you can go ahead and install Fortnite in this case by just selecting a specific folder where you want to install it. Click on the install button and then Fortnite will get successfully installed. This way you can install Fortnite on your PC. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.